guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are not boxing, we are unpacking Spice Breeze. So if you're not familiar with Spice Breeze, it is a international culinary adventure. Each package takes you to at least 2 different countries. There are 2 different options. There's the duo that's $5.90 a month. You get 2 recipes and the spices that go along with them. If you get the duo, they pick what you get. There's also the quad. It's whatever's in the duo plus 2 that you'll choose. And that's $11.85 a month. It's really cool. I think I can smell it already. Maybe cumin. I'm not sure. I always make one of these recipes, so if you want to see one in action, go to my blog. I always post the whole thing. If it's not the first one on when you go to my blog, all you have to do, there's a little search bar. Find the search bar, type in Spice Breeze, boom, it'll pop up, the most recent one. So anyway, you do get a wide variety, and it's always really delicious. So, Spice Breeze Culinary Spice Box for August 2018, Chocolate Hills in Bohol, Philippines. It always comes in this beautiful, look at how pretty, isn't it beautiful? I just love, so here's our recipes. We'll have 4. And then they're separated, here are our spices. I love to see them. See, ooh, fattoush. Yes, I love fattoush dressing. You mix this with like pomegranate molasses and garlic and a little bit of olive oil, I believe. It's so delicious with like cucumbers and tomatoes. It's Mediterranean. It's so good. All right, these are really, this one here. Man, I don't know what I smell, but I know that smell. All right, so first we have fattoush, Lebanese Culinary Spice Kit. So in this one, in the fattoush, there is 2 packets. So there's this one that's more like what I would call cinnamony looking, and then there's this one down here that looks like my favorite seasoning of all time, sumac. I love sumac. It is my favorite. I have a jar. So, first, in the first packet is allspice, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, that's what I smell, fenugreek, nutmeg, and ginger. And then the second is sumac, I was so right, which is a lemony. In Lebanon, in Lebanese culture, it's used like on the table like we would salt and pepper. It's very common. It's delicious. It has a bright, tangy flavor, lemony, I would say. So there's that. I'm excited for that. All right, then there's chicken inasal. Inasal, this is Filipino. And so that is, inasal is right here. It has just 1 packet. And in that packet we have annatto, lemongrass, lemon peel, and ginger. Ooh, I don't know which one I'm going to make. This looks pretty good though. But I need to find mung beans, which are so hard in my area to find. All right, Aussie Burger, Australian Culinary Spice Kit. So here we have the Aussie packet. This looks like peppers to me. It's actual peppercorns, I think. And so these are, no, this is called a Tasmanian pepper berry. That sounds good, but look at that burger, how big it is. Is that egg on there, or is it pineapple? Pineapple. There's pineapple in that burger. It's like pineapple on your pizza. All right, finally, our final recipe. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to make. Do you want to know what I'm going to make? Check my review. All right, a jap sandali, which is a Georgian culinary spice kit. And I think that has just 1. Here it is, a jap sandal. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm not. Someone will correct me, I'm sure. All right. In this packet, there is lots of stuff. Coriander, marigold, garlic, methi, paprika, caraway, black pepper, fenugreek, hyssop, mint, savory, and chili. Okay, so there are my 4 kits for this month. If you're interested in my full review, I'll link to that below. I will also link to Spice Breeze so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.